Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Asana for task management. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin optimizing Asana for task management, first, log into your Asana account. Once logged in, navigate to the project you wish to optimize. Review the existing tasks in your project. Identify any tasks that require additional details or context. Open each task and add descriptions where necessary. Next, assign tasks to the appropriate team members. Ensure each task has a clear due date to maintain accountability. Utilize tags to categorize tasks by priority or department. To enhance visibility, create sections within your project. Move tasks into these sections for better organization. If you have recurring tasks, set them up to repeat at your desired frequency. Consider using custom fields for tracking unique data relevant to your project. For tasks that involve multiple steps, create subtasks to break them down. Utilize dependencies to indicate which tasks need to be completed before others can start. Regularly review your project's progress using the Asana timeline or calendar view. Implement comments for collaborative discussions directly within tasks. Lastly, schedule regular check-ins to update the status of tasks and reassess priorities. By following these steps, you'll create a streamlined task management system within Asana. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.